Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to download AOL app in PC. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for AOL download and scroll down to this website over here, Softonic, and click on this and scroll down and click on free download for PC. Now it's downloading. Downloading process can take few minutes. So it's done. You can simply tap on this one. Now click on install anyway. Now choose your language and click on. Now click on next. Accept the terms. And it's downloading now. Now click on run. So now you can see AOL app over here. So this is it. This is how you can download AOL app in your PC. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.